This video will help you manage sales team and also give you the security access rights to particular users. So to begin with, we have to first go to settings. Under settings, we will go to manage users. And under manage users, we will give the access rights to the user. Now under sales, you have the options of the access rights. You have user owned documents only, user all documents and administration, which are the Odoo default access rights. We have other two access rights called sales team leader and regional manager. You can give those access rights to particular user. Once that is done and saved, we will go to the sales team under sales application, configurations and sales team. Here we have the sales team. You can add the region and the regional manager. I will add the region, let's say New York. We have the manager Mitchell as the regional manager. You can also add the company and the team leader as well. Once all that is done, I will save this. Now I will go to orders and create a new order. I will add the customer and the product, and I will confirm the order. Once it's confirmed, I will go to other info and I'll be able to see the team leader, region and the regional manager under the sales order other info tab. Now, once that is done, I will go to create invoice and create a new invoice. I will confirm the invoice and I will go to other info tab. Here as well, I'll be able to see the region and the regional manager. If I go back to my sales order and go to my delivery, I can validate this delivery and get done with the sales order. And you'll be able to see all the infos of the region and the regional manager under the other info tab. Now, if we go to our quotations, you can also filter according to the region and the regional manager. If I go to filters, I can add a custom filter for the regional manager, contains the name, and I will apply. I'll be able to see all the orders created by the regional manager and also the orders of the people, the salesperson who is following under the regional manager's position. So I can also see the orders of Mark. So if I go to this particular order, you can see salesperson is Mark, but team leader and regional manager is Mitchell, and hence I was able to see the orders created by Mark as well. The same way you can also filter region wise and team leader wise as well. If I go to action needed, I can select the region that contains, let's say, New York, and I can apply. And all the orders where the region is applied as New York will be visible to me. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, you can leave a comment down below in the comment box and we will definitely solve your queries. If you like this video, do not forget to click on the like button and also do not forget to subscribe our channel. Until then, keep following us for more Odoo related content. Thank you.